Witnesses told police a man was playing with a gun in the garage of the house behind me shortly before he tried setting it down, but in the process, he shot and killed his friend on Friday. Investigators say 23-year-old Elliot Hines was hanging out in a group when he was asked several times to stop playfully pointing the gun at others. Court documents say Hines admitted his finger must have hit the trigger when he set the gun on a dryer, shooting a woman in the face. According to the arrest affidavit, while waiting for evidence photos to be taken of his hands, Hines told detectives he would freak out if he was not allowed to wash off his friend's blood.
This didn't shoot this woman unless the muzzle got pointed at her. He got put down in such a way as that it would have been pointing at her. So that's what we call muzzle awareness.
Anthony Gregory, chief instructor at Indy Arms Company, says Hines ignored all the primary rules of gun safety, highlighting the importance of proper training before owning one.
When you get here, it takes very little pressure.
He showed us the same model handgun Hines is accused of using.
If someone has slammed this thing down and their finger's on there, pretty easy to contort. I mean, it's horrific. I can't imagine that, and you can't take it back. I'm sure he was right there on the scene realizing, oh my God, and there's no way back.
While detained on scene, court documents say Hines vomited several times and made statements like, "I think I just killed somebody by accident. I loved that girl. I would never want to hurt her." And, quote, "How does that even happen, officer? I put my firearm down and it shot."
Our hearts are with the family. They're grieving. They're trying to put the pieces back together after something like this happens, and by all accounts, this was preventable.
The victim's family declined to give an interview or a statement today. Last week, a relative told us, quote, her family loved her so much. On the east side, Scarlett O'Hara, Fox 59 News.